I am Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Welcome to the lecture series of image processing. In this session, we will see some example problems on dilation and erosion, and also on another concept which is opening and closing. So in the previous sessions, we have discussed about some of the basic concepts, that is preliminaries regarding morphological operations on image, and also we have seen what is meant by dilution and erosion, and we have discussed about opening and closing concepts. So while seeing that, we have seen what are all the equations related to that concepts, and for erosion, what are the conditions we have to follow, and similarly for dilation, what are the conditions need to be followed. Conditions means here, if there is a complete matching with respect to the given image and structuring element. If there is fully matched, what will be the element, what will be the value of the pixel. If it is partially matched, what will be the value of the pixel, and if it is not matching, what value we have to place as the pixel value in the output image. So based on that conditions for erosion and dilation, in this session we will solve some example problems. So coming to the first example, so it is related to dilation and erosion. So here, for the given image A, that means given image is represented as A here, and the structuring element B. So this given image A and structuring element B, those two will be given, and here they are asking to compute A dilated by B, and the second one is also asked, that is A power C, which represents A complement eroded by B. So here both we have to perform dilation operation and we have to perform erosion operation. Now, so here given image A, that means here this is the image given, which is represented as A, and this is the structuring element. Here this is the structuring element which is represented as B. Now we have to perform the first question. It is given, compute A dilation by B. So dilation operation between A and B should be performed. Now let us consider this is given A and this is B, and we have to perform A dilation by B. So in the previous session we have discussed about dilation and what are the conditions that need to be followed in the dilation. That means here if there is a fully match, we will see what is that fully match and all while solving this example. So if there is fully match, we have to represent the pixel value as 1. If it is partially match, pixel value will be 1. That means even if one element matches also between this B and A, it will be placed as 1. And if there is no match, it will be placed as 0. Now based on these conditions, let us solve this question, that is A dilated by B. That means here, how to represent this means, so A dilation by B. So this is the symbol of dilation. Now let us perform this operation. Now, so this is the structuring element B, which is also called a sub-image. It will be acting as a mask, and we have to place this mask on the given image A such that this is the center pixel value of the structuring element. So this center pixel value should be placed on the element which we need to find. So when we place this on this image A, based on the structuring element based on the pixel values of this structuring element and based on the pixel values of A. If there is fully match, we have to place as 1 in the output image here. If there is only some match, that means even if one element matches also, we have to place that as 1 only. And if there is no match, we have to place it as 0. Now let us start solving this problem. So here let us place this structuring element such that this center is called origin. This origin should be placed as the center pixel value on the pixel what we need to find. So if you place this, so here the structuring element will be placed like this. Okay. So whereas this 1 will be on this origin. So 1, 1, 1 is the value. If you place here, here becomes 1, here becomes 1 and here also becomes 1. So here compared to these two elements, there is no match. So in the output image, this pixel value will be represented as 0. Now, similarly, we have to shift this sub image B on the given image A and we have to find the remaining values. So now, in order to find this element, so let us shift the mask of the structuring element here, okay, such that this value will be 1. So here becomes 1 and this will be 1. In this case also, here all are zeros, but in the structuring element all are ones, so there is no match. So in this case also, we have to represent the output pixel value as 0. So similarly here, if you place this, if you shift that sub image B towards right, so here the sub image will be placed. So here 1, 1, 1 are the elements of the structuring element. So here nothing is there on the top, whereas the remaining 0 and 1. So in this case, this values are matched. That means here partial match has occurred. So we have to consider this element as 1. So similarly for the next pixel value to find, so shift this mask towards right. Okay. So here this center pixel value will be placed on this 0 what we need to find. So here 1, 1, 1 are the elements. So here don't care, nothing is there, 0, 1. So at last these elements are matched. So we will call it as some match. So here it will be placed as 1. So fully matched or partially matched, we will represent that element as 1 in the output image. Now if we shift this structuring element here, so the elements are 1, 1, 1. Here it will be nothing, no element is here, 0, 0. So not even one element is matched. So we have to consider this output pixel value as 0. Now shifting this sub image, that is structuring element, towards right to find this element. So 1, 1, 1. So here it is no element, 0, 0. So in this case also not even one element is matched. So we will consider it as 0. Similarly, so here first row new elements are calculated in the output image. Now this second row element need to find. So here now in the same way we have to consider this mask and this is the element now we need to find. We have to shift this mask such that the origin will lie on the pixel what we need to find. So the structuring element will be here because this is the element what we need to find. 1, 1, 1 are the values in the structuring element, but here all are zeros. So not even one element is matched. So we have to keep this output pixel value as 0. So similarly, shift the mask towards right. So the structuring element will come here next. So 1, 1, 1 values. So here it is 0, 0, 1. One element is matched. So here it will become 1. So in the same way, shift the structuring element. So here 1, 1, 1 are the values in the structuring element. Here 0, 1, 1. So at least two values are matched. So the output pixel value is 1. And so to find the next value, shift the structuring element. So it also 0, 1, 1. So at least these two elements are matched. So we will consider this value also as 1. Now, here to find the next element, 0, 0, 1. So one element is matched at least. So the structuring element, the output pixel value will be 1. So similarly here, the last column, 1, 1, 1. But here in the image A, we have all zeros. No elements are matched. So here we will put 0. So similarly, in order to find the elements in the next row, okay. So now this is the element we need to find. So let us place the origin of the structuring element on this pixel, what we need to find. So here comes the structuring element 1, 1, 1. But here in the image all are zeros. So no match has occurred. So we have to keep this value as 0. So similarly, shift the sub image towards right to find the next elements in the row. So here if we shift this 1, 1, 1, here 0, 1, 0. So at least this element is matched. Partial match is there. So we have to keep this value as 1. So now after shifting by one time towards right, all the elements in the structuring element are 1. In the image also all the elements are 1. So it is fully matched. So we will keep this element as 1. So similarly, to find the next element, shift the structuring element. So here also there is fully match between B and A. So we will put the value as 1. Again here, if we shift the mask, 1, 1, 1. So here 0, 1, 0. So one element is matched. Some match is there. So we will put as 1. Okay. And so here, if we shift the element towards right, 1, 1, 1. But all the elements in A are zeros. So there is no match. We will put as 0. So similarly, in order to find the next element, that is the first element, we need to keep this center, that is origin of the structuring element on this pixel value, such that the mask will be looking like this and this becomes the center pixel. So here 1, 1, 1, all the elements in the A are 0. So there is no match. We have to put here the value as 0. And shift the mask towards right. So 1, 1, 1. Here 1, 0, 0. At least one element is matched. So we have to place here as 1. Similarly, shift the mask towards right. 1, 1, 0. So two elements are matched with the structuring element. So we can keep this as 1. To find the next element, here also we have 1, 1, 0. So two elements are matched with B. So there is some match. We have to put the value as 1 in the output image. To find the next value, shift the mask. So 1, 0, 0. So if we compare this to B, we have at least one match. That is first element is matched. So we can keep the output value as 1. So similarly, after shifting the mask, all are ones here in B, but whereas here all are zeros. So no match is there. We can keep the output value as 0. Now, so the last column, the last row need to be calculated. So here, this is the value we have to consider and place this structuring element on the image A such that the origin should be on this value. So if you place, the mask will look like this. Okay. So here 3 elements of A compared to 3 elements of B, there is no match at all. So we have to keep this value as 0. So if we shift the structuring element, here also all are zeros, not even 1 is there. So no match, 0. So similarly here, if we consider this and place the mask, it is 1 0, nothing is here, at least one element is matched with the structuring element. So we have to place this value as 1. And so here 1 0, this 0 will become the center pixel, and here 1 is there, it is matching with the element of B. So partial match is there. So we have to keep here as 1. So shifting the structuring element, in A all are zeros, but here all are ones. So no match is there. We have to put the output element as 0. And here also after shifting, all are zeros. Here in B all are ones. So no match, at least not even one element is matched. So we will put this as 0. So we have performed now the dilation operation. So we have seen the function of this dilation operation. So what it means dilation enlarges the foreground. So here if you see, this is the given image. We can see here only these are the ones that are given in the given image A. If we apply this dilation operation, the output image is enlarged. Foreground is enlarged. So compared to the image A, if you see the output image, the number of ones are increased. The area occupied by all these ones are increased. So from this, seeing this, we can say dilation enlarges the foreground and shrinks the background. So here what are all the zeros that are available? It is considered as background. So all the zeros are reduced compared to the image A. So that's why we will say it shrinks the background. Now let us calculate A power C, that is A complement eroded by B. So in order to do that, first we need to find the complement of A. So this is the given image A, and here this is the structuring element B given. So first we have to find the complement of this A. This is the complement of A. So what it means A power C. So finding complement of A is here in the given image A, wherever ones are available, all that ones will become zeros in A complement, and in A wherever the zeros are available, all that will become 1 in the complemented image. Now considering this as the input image, which is A complement, perform the erosion operation with this B, and then we have to see how the output image look like. So now let us consider this and place the structuring element on each pixel value in order to find the new pixel value. So this is the origin of the structuring element. So in order to find the first pixel value, we need to consider the origin on this pixel. So how the structuring element will be placed here? So like this, the structuring element will be placed. So here 1, 1, 1 are the elements of the structuring matrix, and here if you consider, no element is available, but here both are ones. So as we are performing here the erosion operation, according to the rules of this erosion operation, if it is fully matched, that means if all the elements of A and B matches only, we have to place the calculated pixel value in the output image as 1. If there is partial match also in erosion, we have to put the output element as 0. And if there is no match, output element will be 0. Now, following all these conditions, if you see this, if you place the structuring element on the image A, here element is missing. It means it is not completely matched. Okay. So, if there is some match, these two elements are matched with these two, but here there is no element. So, if there is some match also, we have to place that element as 0 only. So, in the output image, we have to put it as 0. Now, shift the structuring element B towards right. In the here also, as one element is missed here anyway. So, if you see all this, if you place the structuring element in order to find the first row, what happens means, in all these cases, okay, so these elements are missing. So, even though the remaining elements are matched, if one element is missing, it comes under some match only, that is partial match. So, automatically all the elements in the first row will become 0. Now, so in order to find the second element, now consider the structuring element origin at this value. So, if you draw the structuring element, okay, all the elements are 1 in the structuring element. Here also all the elements are 1 in the given complemented image A complement. It means there is fully matched. So, according to the rules of erosion, if there is fully matched, we have to place that element as 1. And so, if you shift this structuring element 1, 1, 0, so this 0 is not matching with B. So, it comes under some match only. So, the element will be considered as 0. Similarly, shift the structuring element. So, there is some match because both are zeros, whereas in B all are ones. So, some match, put it as 0. So, shift the structuring element. Here also 1, 0, 0. There is some match only. So, we have to put it as 0. So, shift the structuring element 1, 1, 0. It is not 1, 1, 1. So, partial match, put it as 0. And here all are ones. So, according to the erosion, it is fully matched, means we have to place this value as 1. So, in order to find the next element, that is this element, we have to shift the structuring element such that this pixel value should become the center pixel value. So, now the structuring element will look like this. Okay. So, compared with the structuring element, all the pixel values are matched, fully matched. So, we will put it as 1. Now, shift the structuring element. So, if you shift 1, 0, 1, it is not 1, 1, 1. So, it is partially matched. Put it as 0. So, similarly, if we shift the structuring element, all are zeros here. There is no match. So, it is 0. So, after shifting again, all are zeros. So, there is no match. Next, so if you shift the structuring element to find the next element, 1, 0, 1. So, this is not matching with B. So, it is only some match. In this case, according to erosion, put it as 0. And if you see this values, all are ones. So, B element is also having all ones. So, it is fully matched. According to erosion, put it as 1. Now, so to find the next element, shift the structuring element such that this value will become the center pixel value. So, here, so this is the center pixel what we need to find, and here only the B element origin will lie. So 1, 1, 1 means compared to B, it is total match. So here output value will be 1. And shifting the structuring element. Okay. So here there is some match because 0 instead of 1. So here output will be 0. Now if we shift the structuring element 0, 0, 1. So it is also some match 0. Similarly, if we shift the structuring element, it is not fully matched with B. Output will be 0. To find the next element, it is not matching with the structuring element, some match only. So output will be 0. And coming to the last pixel value, all are ones. So B element is also having all ones. So it is fully matched. So output value will be 1. Now, to find the elements of the last row, if we place this B on this image A, making this last value as the origin, so the structuring element will look like this. Okay. So the last element will be vacant. Even though the two elements are matched, the last element is vacant, which makes the condition not fully matched, some match. So automatically if we see the last element value will be vacant. So the last row automatically all the values will become 0. So this is the output image after performing this operation. Now according to the condition of this erosion, so erosion shrinks the foreground and enlarges the background. So if we see this A complement, so if you see the number of zeros that are available in this complemented image A, less number of zeros are available. But here if you see more number of zeros are available. And here in the complemented image A, number of ones are more. But whereas in the output image, number of ones are less. So here, as I told, this ones represents the foreground and zeros represent background. So according to this, erosion shrinks the foreground. So it is making the number of ones as countless and enlarges the background. Number of zeros are increased here. So based on the same concept, this is the given image A, and here the structuring element B is given. So here there is a notation X which represents it is don't care. Now for this given A and B, we have to compute A erosion, B, that is first case, and the second case A dilation, B. So here also we have to recall the conditions of erosion and dilation. Now let us first perform A erosion, B following these conditions. So until unless there is fully match, we should not place the output pixel value as 1. If there is some match or no match, output pixel value will be 0. Now the shape of the structuring element is changed. So this is the origin. Okay. Now, so if you place this structuring element to find the first pixel value, nothing is available. All these are the vacant spaces. So if you place that structuring element here, these are the 3 cells. 1, don't care, 1. So 1, don't care, 1. So even though the elements are available in the image A, nothing is available. So we can say there is no match. We can keep the output pixel value as 0. Similarly, if you shift this structuring element in the next case to find, similarly in order to find the next element, if we shift the structuring element it will be here, making this as the center pixel what we need to find. So in this case also, here ones are not available. So it comes under sum match and it should be replaced with 0. So totally if you see in the first row, there are no elements. Okay. So all that comes under sum match. So all the elements, we can keep it as 0. Now, so in order to find the second row, first element, so we can place the structuring element like this. This value will become the center pixel. And here 1, x1 will be available. And here this is vacant. It comes under no match. So we can place this as 0. Now, in order to find the next element, if we shift the structuring element, it will be like this. Okay. So 1, don't care 1, and here 1, don't care 1. This is vacant, which comes under sum match only. So this value also will become 0. So in order to find the next element, so this is the next element. So if you place the structuring element here, making this as the center pixel, it is 1, don't care 1. So 1, don't care 1. These two ones are matched. That don't care may be 1. So it comes under fully matched. So we can keep this as 1. So similarly, if we shift the structuring element to find the next element, that is this, here element is missed. So it comes under sum match. We can keep this as 0. Similarly, here also no elements are available. It comes under sum match. We can place all these as zeros. Now, in the same way, in order to find the next elements in the first row, so here in the first element of this third row, this place is vacant. So it comes under sum match. So the value will be 0 here. And here also, if you place the structuring element here only 1, there are no ones beside. So it comes under sum match. We will put as 0. But whereas in order to find the next element, if you place the structuring element here, this value will become the center pixel what we need to find. So both are here ones matched with B. Here there is don't care. It means here it is fully matched. So we will put this value as 1. Now if we shift the structuring element to find the next element, here anyway there are vacant spaces. That comes under sum match. So put this as 0. So similarly, here there are no elements. We can put it as 0. So here, to find the fourth row elements, so this is the fourth row. So place the structuring element here. Okay. So it comes under sum match because the elements are missed. So we can place this as 0. And if we shift the structuring element also, here there are no ones. We can have here 0 because it comes under sum match. So if we shift the structuring element to find this value, both are ones. Here there is don't care. So it comes under fully match. So here the value will become 1. So whereas the remaining cases, if you see, if you shift this structuring element, here are two ones, but here there is no 1. So it comes under sum match. The value will be 0. Similarly, in this row, if we shift the structuring element and check, there will not be any fully matched conditions. So we can keep all these as zeros. So here, if we consider this fifth row, all these are the vacant spaces. So simply we can consider only sum match or no match because there is don't care here. So all the elements here will become 0, 3, 4, 5. So even though 2 ones are here, if you place the structuring element to find these two elements, it will not have fully matched. So here also it will be 0. So anyway, the last row completely it is vacant. It will not match with the element B. If you place this B on this A, so all these elements will become 0. And the next one is here, A dilation B. So here this is the image A given, and here this is structuring element B. Now we have to follow the conditions of dilation, and we have to write how the output image look like. So place this structuring element on this A. So all the elements in the first row are vacant. So here also we can consider there is no match. So we will put all the elements as 0. Why? Because there is no at least 1 available. And coming to this second row, so if we place in order to find this element, so if you place the structuring element such that this will become the center pixel, so it is 1, don't care, 1. So at least one element is matched, so here it will be 1 according to the rules of dilation. So similarly, if you shift the structuring element, this one will become the center pixel. There is some match with the structuring element B, so this element also will become 1. Again, if we shift the structuring element, this will become the center pixel. There is fully matched, so this element also will become 1. So similarly, shifting the structuring element, here there is some match, 1, 1 vacant, here 1, don't care, 1. Some elements are matched, so according to the rules of dilation, put it as 1. Now, if we shift the structuring element like this to find the next value, here 1 is matched with B, so here also the output value will become 1. Whereas to find the last element, here all are vacant, but whereas here B is having 1s, so it is no match, so we will put this as 0. Similarly, apply the condition for this row, so the elements of that row will become 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So in the same way, this fourth row, 1, 2, 3, this is the fourth row. So if we apply, here there is 1 element will be matched. So apply the rules by shifting the structuring element. If there is fully match, put it as 1. Partial match also 1. If there is no match, put it as 0. So the elements of this row will become 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. And fifth row elements will become 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. And same, if you see here, the last row, if you place the structuring element on all these pixel values of A, not even one element will be matched. So all these values will become 0. So this is how we have to apply erosion and dilation operation. Now let us see one more example related to opening and closing. So as we know, opening and closing concepts are based on, again, erosion and dilation. So this is the given image A, and here is the structuring element B. So they are asking to compute the opening operation and closing operation. So here to apply the opening operation, so the formula for opening, this is the symbol of opening, A opening B. So the formula is, first we have to perform the erosion operation between A and B, and to the result we have to perform the dilation operation with B. And we know what are all the conditions for erosion and dilation, and here structuring element given is 3 by 3. So if we place the mask, see for example, one row we will discuss. So how to place here, this is the origin of the structuring element. So if we want to find this pixel value and place it here, we have to place this on the image. So the structuring element mask will be placed like this. Okay. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if we consider here, some elements are missing. And so here first we have to perform A erosion, B. If there is some match also, in case of erosion it will be 0. Okay. So if we apply these conditions, now we will see how this erosion matrix look like. So here A erosion B 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And if we shift the matrix in order to find the next element, okay, so it will be looking like this. Okay, so compare and see with B whether it is some match, fully match, or no match. Based on that, according to the erosion rule, so the elements will become 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And similarly here, third row 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and remaining elements are zeros. So we have to shift the structuring element on this A. So after performing this operation, compute the dilation operation with B. Now this will be the input image. This operation should be performed between these two. Now apply the rules of this dilation. Shift the structuring element by 1 pixel value. Then according to this equation, after performing this operation, the elements in the matrix will become here all zeros, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, and here all the elements are zeros. So opening operation means it is the combination of this erosion and dilation. So we can apply the same rules in order to perform the opening operation. So similarly, considering the next one, how to apply closing operation. So this is the equation to perform closing operation. So first we have to apply A dilation B. So these are the rules of dilation. So put this structuring element on the pixel value what we need to find. Based on fully match, some match, or no match, place the new pixel values. Now if we apply this dilation operation between A and B, let us see how what are the elements that are available. So the output elements will be 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, and here all ones, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Now if erosion operation is applied between this A dilation B and the structuring element B, so this will be the output image. Now we have to follow the conditions of erosion. Okay. Now according to that, we will get here all the elements as zeros, and here 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So all the elements at the last will become 0. Why? Because if we place the structuring element, vacant spaces will be there. So according to the erosion, sum match also, it is considered as 0. So this is how we have to apply dilation, erosion, opening and closing. So here you clearly apply erosion and dilation rules and check with this output. So these are some of the example problems related to this morphological operations. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.